काफ़ी सारे चैम्पियनशिप जीते हैं रणजी ट्रॉफी के, बहुत सारे इंडिया प्लेयर्स प्रोड्यूस किए हैं। तो टूर्नामेंट्स की बात आती है तो बहुत बड़े टूर्नामेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। तो यू नो व्हाट, पहली बार मुंबई क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ने एक डे नाइट फाइनल ऑर्गेनाइज किया। माधव मंत्री सेंटेनरी वनडे लीग, मतलब उसी टूर्नामेंट का फाइनल था और पारसी जिमखाना वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकनिक टीम्स इन मुंबई जीत गई। तो फ्रेंड्स चलिए आज बात करते हैं टीम्स के प्लेयर्स से जानने के लिए कि क्लब टूर्नामेंट नाइट क्रिकेट में कैसा होता है खेलना और कितना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। और पारसी जिमखाना, उनको बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ जो जीत गए फाइनल। जीतने के बाद कैसा माहौल है उनकी टीम में। टीम से बारे में बता दूँ आपको, सूर्य कुमार यादव और आदित्य तरे खेलते हैं। चैंपियन से मिलके कैसा लगता है, चलिए देखते हैं। आदित्य तरे इन द पारसी जिमखाना टीम, और क्या इनिंग्स के लिए 99 रन्स का नॉक खेला है। आईपीएल सुपरस्टार मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए कौन नहीं जानता है इनको, एंड मुंबई रणजी ट्रॉफी ऑफकोर्स सक्सेसफुल कैप्टन आदित्य। कमाल किया, 99 रन्स playing under lights, the whole experience. Can you explain like winning it?
No,
And then
it's been terrific. I think kudos to MCA for organizing this tournament, and to have the finals under lights at BKC has been terrific experience. Not just for me, but everyone in our squad, and obviously in the opposition squad. We're happy that we won the second tournament on the trot. We won the Talim Shield, and now this Madhav Mantri Centenary One Day League.
Parsi Gymkhana has been a champion side. Like club cricket, mein, you guys have been dominating. You finish up as runners-up, maybe the final, you win the final. What has been the secret behind your dominance in Mumbai cricket?
Our club is well organized. We've got a good setup back home, at the Gymkhana. Our practice facilities are good. We've got a terrific coach in Vinayak Mane. Some great players of the past to come and coach the younger boys. Makes a lot of difference. Our club secretary, Kodu sir, has been an immense support for us as players, and is always giving us all the good facilities, be it practice, and all the other stuff as well. So I think it's very well organized in terms of preparations.
Did you guys miss Surya Kumar Yadav?
We obviously miss him because he's a terrific player, but he's always connected with us. He's always active on the Parsi group chat. He always wishes us luck, and he always follows the score. So we know that in spirit he's always there with us, and whenever he's available, he makes an effort to come and play for the.
Madhav Mantri must be very happy. He scored 332 runs. Ravi Shetty, Karnataka Sporting Association, Vinayak Goyal. Player of the tournament, ₹20,000 and trophy. Payade Sports Club player Mushir Khan, 305 runs and 4 wickets. Centenary One Day League champions this year.
Captain of Parsi Gymkhana, Mr. Vikrant Ahuja. Congratulations, and this is an amazing victory यार। 303 बनाए इन्होंने और डिफेंड किया बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल, विनिंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल टूर्नामेंट, द फर्स्ट डे नाइट फाइनल.
I would like to thank the Supreme Personality of God, Lord Krishna, for his blessings and kindness. And then I feel I have done a good job in the toss as well, losing six tosses,
Oh my God.
and he eventually worked our way. It was a clinical performance by the boys. After losing the first game and then coming back so strongly and winning the title, I think the credit goes to the boys.
We have coach Mr. Vinayak Mane. Vinayak Mane, what is the secret? You've been coaching Parsi Gymkhana. क्या secret है आप लोग की victory का यार? You guys have been dominating.
It's a coordination among the players, support staff, administration, and then the work they put in on the ground. And there are some set of players we have added, who are always, whenever they are available from their Mumbai commitment, they turn up and show the same commitment here.
One question to the captain. सूर्य कुमार यादव को कितना मिस किया है?
Yeah, we missed him, but the way we were playing, I think the boys were very much confident, and we are playing as a unit. You can see that we didn't got any individual prizes at the presentation.
That's a very good point, and all the best and congratulations also. We have Kodadar Yezdegardi, the Vice President of Parsi Gymkhana, Cricket Secretary, of course, and the man behind Parsi Gymkhana's dominance in Mumbai cricket right now. Why is Parsi Gymkhana dominating here?
When I took over in 2011, Omkar Salvi was the head coach and he was with us for around 3-4 years. Maybe won 1 or 2 trophies, but still the team was not made, I would say. So Vinayak Mane came as a guest player in one of the Polish Shield games for us, and Vinayak and me, we clicked quite well. And that's when I told Vinayak, I want to make a team that any boy in Mumbai who wants to play cricket and wants to play a higher grade of cricket, wants to go into the under 16s, 19s, Ranji Trophy, the first thought he thinks is, I want to play for Parsi Gym. That will be my platform. So that's how it started. That was my dream, which I can say is almost fulfilled. And the last 2-3 years, I'm dreaming that Parsi Gymkhana should be the team like what Dadar Union was in the 60s and 70s, unbeatable.
पहला फाइनल था मुंबई क्रिकेट के लिए डे नाइट में, ऑल्दो इट वाज अ वन साइडेड फाइनल, बट थोड़ा सा ग्लिचेस होते हैं और जब टूर्नामेंट बहुत अच्छा होता है तो थोड़ा बहुत ग्लिच आने में कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. बट द वे नदीम भाई, द ग्राउंड्स इंचार्ज, मैनेज टू मेक इट अमेजिंग फाइनल. दिलीप वेंगसरकर फॉर्मर इंडिया क्रिकेटर ने इनको मैन ऑफ द फाइनल बोला है. मतलब छोटा सा ग्लिच हो गया था, लाइट चली गई थी, बट जो कमबैक किया उन्होंने, सब इमीडिएट सोल्यूशन निकाला. क्या था सर वो?
We got it done. We took time. Half an hour we restored all lights.
Like what was the spirit?
The spirit was I spoke to both the teams and they mutually agreed for playing, and such a good final is there, and they want to finish today only. I'm in MCA for last more than 35 years, and now the experience come, and today all my experience I've taken out. I was 100% confident that match will finish today only.
The Parsi Gymkhana ने जीत गया माधव मंत्री सेंटेनरी वनडे लीग 2021-22 और what a match it has been. Amazing ground, beautiful conditions. If you can look at this, अच्छा लगा तो like, share और subscribe करिए हमारे channel The Sports Journalist. I'm going to get you a lot of stories from the world of sports and Mumbai. तो अभी के लिए goodbye.